Alright, so good afternoon everyone. Isang magandang hapon po muli sa ating lahat. And of course, before I officially start our program with the band, maaari po ba akong makahingi ng konting attention lang sa lahat? Kasi gusto ko lang sanang ma-check muna ang energy of all our guests for this afternoon. Alright, so before I officially start our program with the band, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba akong makarinig po mula sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan dyan! Woo! There you go, and there you have it. Din dapat kalakas ang energy natin, and at the same time, ganyan din dapat tayo kasaya sa araw na ito because of course, we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate one very special occasion for our beautiful debut of the night. So of course, muli, good afternoon everyone and welcome aboard here at the Bali Private Resort in Napali, Pampanga. And as I've said a little early kanina, syempre naman, we are all here to witness and also to celebrate the 18th birthday of our beautiful and gorgeous debut of the night, si Moriel. And of course, our program will not be able to push through if wala pa dito ang ating hinihintay na main event ko sa araw na ito. But before anything else, please allow me first to introduce and welcome on the family or the immediate family po of our debutant. So of course, pag tinawag ko sila dito sa entablado, ay salubungan lang po natin sila ng isang masigabong palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan na rin po. Alright, so of course, first up, let us all look around stage, the parents of our debutant. Let's give it up to the father we have, Mr. Michael Molyari and Molly Molyari. Paso! Palakpakan naman to the parents of Moriel. Hello, good evening. For our 18 years, here we go. Please sit beside her and her message.
Happiest birthday, Yel. I hope you're enjoying your party tonight. I just want to say that I'm really grateful to be your friend since grade 7. I hope that you will like my gift for you. It's something that you were interested when I asked you 2 months ago. Using this, may you enjoy your last day this week. I wish you all the best. May you achieve all your hopes and dreams in life. Always take care of yourself and don't be hard on yourself. Remember that even though that we don't see each other often, I will always be here for you always. Again, happy birthday and long life.
Picture ko sila, smile. Thank you so much. You may take your seat for a while. Alright, next up for our 18 gifts is none other than Delani Cabandon. Palakpakan po natin. Hello, good evening. Delani, hello. Here you go. Wow.
Happy birthday, Marian. Ito yung gift ko sa'yo kasi alam ko na gusto mo ng something na useful and magagamit mo for a long time. And I hope nagamitin mo to and more birthdays to come and we're always proud of you and lagi naman kami nandito para sa'yo. Sana hindi ka mapagod sa kapulitan namin nila Diana. Yan lang, happy birthday ulit.
Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you so much. Up next for our 18 gifts is none other than Aira Alames. Palakpakan mo natin. Hello, Aira. Good evening to you. Here you go.
Hi Mariel, happy legality. Naalala ko na when we first started getting close, I've always felt comforted by your presence. There's just something about your aura radiates a genuine bond. Keep being that down-to-earth and genuine friend you are. Always when nandito kami, para sa'yo lagi. I'm always... always rooting for you. Happy 18th birthday. I love you always.
Thank you so much for your message. Closer, smile. our 18 gifts is none other than Liana Kapili. Palakpakan ako na. Hi, Liana. This is yours. Please come and join Mariel and your message.
To my Earth One, happy 18th birthday. May your year be filled with love, happiness, and success.
Thank you so much. All right, and to proceed, thank you so much with our 18 gifts. May I call on Ara Mitz Luhani. Followed by, we also have here, followed by Meg Garcia. Hi, Meg. This is yours.
Yes, thank you for being a kind friend and kahit tayo may kaalam namin nandito ka para sa amin at sana alam mo rin na nandito kami para sa iyo. And more blessings to pa and happy birthday.
There you go. Thank you so much. Picture mo muna. Smile. Make it closer. Yawn. There you have it. Thank you so much po. And of course, up next for our 18 gifts, may I call on Stephanie Martin. Palakpakan naman natin. Hi! Where is she? Once again, Stephanie Martin. And of course, we have Denise Sese. Palakpakan naman natin. Hi, Denise! Here you go.
Happy birthday, Yan. I wish you happiness and success in life. Alam ko na maaabot mo yung birthday mo sa akin. Nandito lang ako to support you. Wish ko sana magtagal pa yung friendship natin na yun. And good luck sa college journey.
Thank you so much. Okay, next up for our 18 gifts is none other than Clarabelle de Guzman. We also have Ate Jamela Enriquez. Palakpakan naman natin once again, Ate Jamela Enriquez. Hello and good evening to you. Please get this mic for you. Set beside her po and your message. Go ahead po.
Happy 18th birthday, Yen, and enjoy your day, your special day, and I'm always rooting for your success. And good luck pala sa college mo. Yun lang. I love you.
Closer, smile. Wow, there you go. And of course, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, to complete our 18 gifts of the night is none other than Ate Andre Maliari. Palakpakan ako po natin. Hi, I'm Andre. Good evening once again. Here you go.
Happy 18th birthday ngayon, our future registered pharmacist. Ngayon pa lang dinedeclare na natin yun kasi I pray na lahat ng dreams mo, lahat ng mga gusto mo sa buhay ay matupad mo. Pero lahat yun dapat lagi mo ipapipray kay Lord. At saka, mahal naman kita. Love you.
There you go. Thank you so much. Mama Andre, please sit beside her muna. And of course, you will be joined by your mga kasamahan mong 18 gifts. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, that officially wraps up our 18 gifts of the night. So, Ate Andre, please sit beside her. And of course, may I call back the attention muli of our 18 gifts na tinawag ko po kanina. So please come back and join Mariel on stage for a group picture taking with our debut set. Once again, I would like to call back the attention muli of our remaining 18 gifts. Samahan po natin si Mariel on stage for a groupie or a group photo all together with Mariel.
너에는 나처럼 사전에 널 찾으면 나 우정이 돼 센터에 다 말야 오늘은 대체 어떻게 해야 돼